Our honorable teacher, guest and here present on all favors and first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah. He was born in Mecca in 570 AD. He belonged to be Quraysh tribe. His father Abdullah died before his birth. He changed the society through his hard work and preaching. He taught people the difference right and wrong. He was a perfect leader. His life is a role model for everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমাদের সামনে যতটুকুনি সে বলেছে